Yeah, we're about ready to have one of Mother Nature's April Fool joke pushed onto us. April 1st is tomorrow. Take a look at the snow. Pretty nice out. Spring's been here, a little bit of mud season. Tomorrow comes the April Fool's joke. Just about a foot of wet snow. Fun, huh? Good morning. So there you go. Mother Nature's April Fools. About a foot of wet, rainy snow or snowy rain. Partly sunny, partly cloudy.
This is Shirley.
It's Shirley. It's a big old snowman.
Yes, it is. If I make them small, they need to be funny looking. If they're big, they have to be normal.
Spring has sprung. The grass has riz. I wonder where the birdies is. Buried under the snow.